For today's video, I will be sharing a nail art haul and nail supply haul from Temu. It's been a little while since I've done one, and I ordered some more items from them and I want to share them with you. So there is a couple bags. I just have one in front of me. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll show you from the bags, this beautiful rose plate. I'm just going to open it. And here it is, like so many different patterns of roses. I thought this one would get used a lot. Some of them are so pretty. Really, all of them are really nice, all different. And that's what I really liked about this plate when I saw it. And they're nice large images as well. So they're going to cover a longer nail, which is also very nice too. So the next item, I actually tried metallic gel polishes you saw in the bag, a set of them, and it has all the ingredients on it, and they looked really nice online. I was going more for the Madame Glam one that I can't get anymore, Shimmer Sexy Berry. They have a color just like it in this set. So I decided I'm going to purchase it so I can have an extra of that color, and all the other metallics are really nice. I'm just going to open them up here quickly and you can see them. I'm not going to swatch them, but it is a really nice set. The bottles aren't real big and they're very lightweight, but at least you have the ingredients so you know what you're putting on your nails. And there's that Shimmer Sexy Berry color. That's not what it's called here, but it is pretty much identical. So that is perfect. And I'll just let you watch me open the rest. It'll be really quick, and then we'll move on to the next items in the Temu haul. This last one kind of looks like the Shimmer Sexy Berry one, except it's a little different. It has a shimmer in it, just a little different shade and shimmer, but really pretty as well. So it looks like I'm going to have to open this to show you. I had a client that wanted a kind of watery look nail, and these are for cat's eye polish, so they're little round magnets. So I was able to find some. So I thought I would get them and try them out. So that's for cat's eye polish. They're nice little round magnets, as you can see. There's quite a few of them, like the little case they came in. I saw this really nice watercolor brush, so I wanted to try it out. I'll open it up and we can look at it better. It says Watercolor Pen Kolinsky. And I will have the links, as always, in the description of this video. So go below the video and there'll be a more. You just click the more, or else there's an arrow there and it drops down, and then you'll see a bunch of my description, and under products in video, then I'll have all the links for these products. Comes in a really nice case. I'll pull it out and look at it better. So there's the brush itself, nice pointy head. Okay, so it's got a cover for it, which is really nice. So the end piece comes off, it looks like, and I'll just make sure. I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. Yes, it is. So it'll protect it. So that's a really nice brush. It's made really well. I'll just put this on until I use it, and this goes back on the end. Nice. I ordered some cluster lashes. I'm not going to open them. I think I've shared these before. I actually didn't want these ones, so it was a mistake. I would have sent them back, but I think it's too late now. But they're a nice volume one, just not for me. And there's 10, I think these are 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter. I also got some adhesive. I'll show you actually. Bond and Seal. I use this. It works really well if you do cluster lashes. And the ingredients are good, so I use it. And I had bought 4. I'm using one right now. But I know it's not nail related, but I know some of you like to know where I get that from. So I got, I think this is, it should say on here, let me look quick before I show you. It says medium, but I think it's like a 5-in-1. I'll have to look that up for sure. Bit that is. I'm telling you, and I'm not explaining myself, but it looks like a medium 5-in-1 bit. And I will have that link below and it'll say more about it. I'm not quite familiar with it right now, so I'm not going to say a lot. If it's a 5-in-1 though, you can use it forward or reversed on your e-file. There it is. It's quite long. It'll be interesting to try out. I've never had one long like this, but it does have a blue. So blue is medium. And again, I'll have that link below. It'll explain more if you click on it. So I needed some more buffing blocks, and these ones are really good. So there's 110 here. I stocked right up. Good price for them. Like I said, they're really good. I think they're 180 grit pink ones. And yeah, they're my favorite. So I bought a whole bunch. I needed to stock up on these. I bought some more gloves and I wanted to try this color. So these are a nitrile powder free, and these are a medium, and I'll show you the color. I got these from TEMU too before, but this is a different one, different color. Oh, they're a really nice pink. I like the pink. It's a little darker, and I think there might be 30 sets in here, or 60 altogether. Not 100% sure, but the link will be down there again. They feel nice, so try this color out for something different. And the last thing I want to share with you, so in the winter time, I usually wear scrubs when I do nails. Then I don't wreck my good clothes. I've wrecked a lot of clothes in the past, so I usually only wear scrubs. But sometimes it gets kind of cold, and you can buy scrub tops that are more like a jacket, I guess. But I bought a couple sweatshirts, nail-related sweatshirts from TEMU that I will wear when I'm doing nails. So if they get wrecked, that's okay. They weren't really expensive, but they're really cute. So I'm going to bring them out. I normally wear medium, and these are extra large. I decided I was going to get them a little bigger just so that I have lots of room, and they tend to fit a little smaller, I think, their sizing. So wanted to play it safe. So let's take a look. So I had bought some t-shirts that I shared with the same design. I thought it was so cute with a leopard print on the nails. I think that's kind of a leopard print. And then the bottle's pouring. And the material, it looks like more like a polyester, but you know what? It's going to be perfect for working. I didn't want anything expensive that's going to get wrecked. And it is 100% polyester. But these will be good work shirts, really cute. And I'll let you know in the description if it was really big and extra large, or if it was a little oversized, but not bad, because I will try it on after the video. They just came today. And I also got a really nice pink one. Same design. I like the design. I'll show you. There it is on the pink. It's a nice bright one. And this one is an extra large as well. And it's polyester again. So again, I'll try it on. I'll let you know if they're extremely big or if they're a good size. If they're too big, I'll send them back and get smaller, but I'm hoping they'll be okay. So that was everything in the video. I'm not even going to show you everything I just shared with you. You can look back if you're not sure what something was, and links will be down in the description. This was a pretty quick one, but I wanted to share the items so I could put them away and try them on. So thanks everybody for watching. Let me know if you're going to purchase any of the sweatshirts, or if you like them, which color you liked better. And if you liked the video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see everybody in the next one.